Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So here we have some theoretical concept to learn, like what is Java? Okay. And what is history of Java? And what are the features of Java? And what are the different type of editions we have Java? Some some theoretical concepts we have. First we will learn that. After that we will go into the complete Java. Okay. Related to Java, we have some. This is the history of Java. Here means what happens. Normally, this Java has been developed. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. At initial time of Java, Java was developed by Sun Microsystem. Now, actually, it was acquired by Oracle. Earlier, it was by Sun Microsystem. Now, each and everything was taken care by Oracle only. When it was in the hands of the Sun Microsystem, there were no new versions. For every 1 year or every 2 years, there are new versions of Java. But whenever the Oracle has been acquired the Java from the Sun Microsystem, for every 3 to 4 months or 6 months, they are releasing the new versions. Okay. So for Java is the James Gosling. Just this is for the information purpose. Just you have to know what history of Java. That's the only thing. No one will ask you, tell me the history of Java. But just to know you, what is this history? Here you can see James Gosling. James Gosling is known as the father. Who is the father of Java? James Gosling. Java was developed in the year 1995. Actually, normal now we are calling as Java, but earlier it was Oak. But what happened? They have changed from Oak to Java. Why? Because already there was a company, registered company with the name of Oak. That is the reason they have changed. James Gosling and his team. Their whole team is called Green Team. Actually, their whole team is called Green Team. Their team has changed the name as per the discussions and everyone. They have number of people has come up with the different type of names, but finally they have concluded with the name of Java. That is the only this is the history when it developed. Now who is the owner of the Java related things? Oracle. Oracle is the one who is taking care for Java. And this Java is, as a Selenium is an open source, Java is also an open source. Okay, good with this slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now, what is Java? See, Java, here I mentioned Java is a high level object oriented programming. Why Java is an object programming language? For this point, I cannot justify now. For this point, you will understand whenever you are going to the OOPS language. Whenever we start the topic, the OOPS, then only you can understand what is this object oriented programming language. As of now, just think like Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Why it is used? Anyway, Java is a programming language. It is used to build such as application. We have to build number of applications like mobile apps, games, and enterprise software. And it is one of the most popular languages in the world. Currently, Java and Python are the one of the programming languages. If you learn the Java programming language in depth, then you so now we are seeing some number of people are losing the jobs. Why? Because you people will think like, hey, this company has removed the have given some number of reason, so that was a big problem. Don't think like, because some people in that region don't have some good knowledge also, just for a sake. They're in the some most of the candidates are sitting in the bench. Whoever has sitting in the bench for long time, the company is removing those people mostly. That is the thing we are calling region. Region means this is not like the people who are working. Most of the people means some people will be there, but most of the people who is not working, most of the people who are in bench, those people will get in the under the recession. Okay, so Java, whoever learns Java, whoever have the knowledge of Java, those people can survive in IT industry. I will give good suggestion after joining the software testing as a software tester. If you are good with your knowledge with the software testing, you are comfortable with the software testing, then learn any of the programming language in depth. If you completely learn the Java and these frameworks in the is for Python as well. But it will take some time to learn. Come to after the tester, you can go as a developer also. To become a developer as a Java developer, you have to learn Java. After that, you have to learn framework Spring Boot. Okay, then you will, if you have the good knowledge in these topics, your resume and your package will be very high. Your resume will have good weightage, and your package also will have you will get a good high package also. Do you get it? What is so the people who learns Java, Spring Boot, they will means it will take like 6 months to learn all things. Like not 6 months, minimum 4 to 5 months to learn Java, Spring Boot, all. But we don't have that much time. Okay, just focus on the overview of the Java, and after that you can learn whenever you have a time. Okay, as per our schedule, our working time, working hours, you can learn the Java or any other programming language. As of now, Java and Python are good frame. Okay, the next one we have some types of Java applications. Sorry, not this type. Yeah, types of Java applications. Like we have standalone applications, web applications, enterprise express. Yes. Hello. Someone asking anything? Okay. So we have some types of Java applications: standalone applications, web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. What is the standalone applications means? These are like desktop applications. Like suppose we have a calculator. In our laptop, we have a calculator. That calculator is a standalone applications. You can use that application in your system only. You cannot share that application to other one. That is window based application. That is standalone applications. Here you can see standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or Windows based applications. Examples have like media players, antivirus, or like calculators in our system. These are all called standalone applications. If you learn only the Java, you can develop these standalone applications. If you learn only Java, you can develop the standalone applications. If you learn the frameworks, you can develop the web applications and enterprise applications. What is web application? Web means and it is an internet. These are internet means here I mentioned X web application that runs on server side creates a dynamic web. Web applications means the applications which runs in on the internet with the help of internet. These are called web applications. What is enterprise applications? This is also like a web applications, but it was like big organizations. Now we have a banking systems. Now not only banking systems, any commercial related, any financial related, any type of applications that will comes under the enterprise application. See, you have mentioned large scale software used by big companies to support that everyday operations, process, and goals. These are the things you need to understand. Means you have to know. You should know like what is standalone application, what is web application. What is enterprise application? Why? Because whenever you install Eclipse, there it will be some like, there you will have some mobile applications, there will be some names like enterprise applications. Then you should know, minimum knowledge you should have related to the standalone applications, web applications, enterprise application, mobile. What is mobile applications? That applications created for only mobile devices. Earlier we had a WhatsApp. Earlier in the WhatsApp can be used only in the mobile. After that they have come up with the WhatsApp related that we can access through the browser. Okay, but only it is created for mobile devices. If any app that is created for only mobile devices, that is called mobile application. Okay, did you clear with this slide? Sir. Next one, Java platform editions. What is this Java platform editions? Here Java, what here we have three types: SE, WE and ME. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition and Java Micro Edition. We have some three types of the editions. These are called, actually these are called platforms. I will tell you what is platform and platform dependency. Now we have what is Java. So SE is called Java Standard Edition and W is called Java Enterprise Edition and next one is Java Micro Editions. Whatever we have discussed, the type of applications, the same thing we have here. Here Standard Edition. Standard editions means like we have discussed those things like standalone applications. That's whatever the application standalone applications, those thing comes under the Standard Edition. Why we have this Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition and Micro Editions? Whenever you install, you install any IDE, suppose if you install Eclipse, after installation of Eclipse, it surely it will ask you want the Standard Edition or you want the Enterprise Edition or whether you want the Micro Edition. You should go with the Enterprise Edition. Sir, what happens if I go with the Standard Edition? Sir, I have installed application, I have installed the IDE Eclipse, but I was unable to access the internet. Why you will access? You cannot access any. If you want to do any web related task, if you are installed the Java as Standard Editions and if you want to do the task of any web related activities, you cannot execute. Why? Because you have chosen the Java Standard Edition. So that is the reason you cannot access it. So this is the main. If you go with the Enterprise Editions, you can do all the things. Even at a standard, even is the web type, you can do anything. So whenever you install the Eclipse, after installing the Eclipse, it will sure ask which type of edition you want. So at that time you have to choose the Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. So this is called Enterprise Edition. Already I have discussed. This is the web and this is a big organization. Combination of these two, web applications and enterprise applications. And next one is Java Micro Editions. Java Micro Editions. Till now you have understood? Sir. Okay. Guys, I have come up with a PPT only for the reason to not waste the time of these things. Okay, these are some basic things you should know. That is the thing I came up with the PPT. Okay. Next, features of Java. What are the main features? Here we have some features like simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, and secured and robust. Here we have some features of Java. Okay. So now, what is these features of Java? What is simple? What is object oriented? What is platform independent? What is secured? And what is robust? You have to know. You have to know these all things. What is simple means? Simple means it is easy to learn. It is easy to learn the Java. Simple means here it is used to learn the Java, because here you have each and everything. There will be step by step. Each and everything will be connected. Suppose if you learn that, first you will learn the class. Let us think, first you learn the class. After that you will learn the method. After you learn the data, each and everything is interlinked. If each and everything is interlinked, and it is very easy to learn the Java. And some people will think, hey, Java is very tough to learn. I will tell you where the people, all the people, till the hoops concept, they will learn, they will be focused more and more. Why? Because till oops, it is too much easy. That's the basic concepts. What is operators? What is plus or minus? What is it will do? What is assignment operators? What is the conditions? What is the loops? What is arrays? It is simple topics. People will more. They will, whenever any people will learn Java, they will, if they start the career with the learning the Java, till the oops concept, they will listen the class very enthusiasmally. After that, after starting the oops concept, I will tell you, some people will drop. These people will think that Java is hard, tough. But the thing is, if you learn the oops concept, actually oops concept is very easy. The people are, they will drop because they will not much focused. If the people, students are there, some candidates are there, they want to learn everything in one day. It will not happen in the Java. It will never happen. So the thing is, if you want to learn the Java, you should be more focused. If you want to learn the OOPS concept, you should be more focused. Only more, if you want to, only the focus, concentration is required. If you have more concentration, the OOPS concept is very simple. I will teach you in clearly of the OOPS concept. Don't worry. Okay, you will learn. I will tell in the simple way how to uh, get the things on the track. Okay. Now we have the first one is simple. So simple is means, what I told, simple means Java is an easy to learn. The first point is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing under the simple, it is called, see guys, you people don't know C, C++. I'm not sure whether you people know or not. As compared to the C, C++, Java is very easy. As per the syntax based, Java is very easy. You don't have that much syntax types. If you learn one syntax, okay, that will take number of topics. Okay, syntax based also very easy, and many complex things. As in the C, C++, there are many complex things will be there. Those all things has been removed to as per the Java. That is the reason Java has become more popular. Okay. Next one is object oriented. Object oriented means, what is object oriented? Object oriented means the main Java. What is Java? Java is an object oriented programming language. No, to execute a Java program without the creation of objects, we cannot run the Java program. We, some programs, basic programs we have, that we can run the program, but to execute the some advanced programs without using the, without creation of objects, you cannot run the Java program. You have to create an object. What is this object? What is this class? What are the different things comes under? See here in this image, you can see what you have. Oops concept, class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, have different terms. These all topics comes under the oops. These all topics comes under oops. First you will learn what is class. After you will learn what is object. After that you will learn what is encapsulation. After that you will learn what is inheritance. After that you will learn what is polymorphism. After that you will learn what is abstraction. After completion of these all, you will learn one more topic, that is in interface. Okay, these are the main. These I will tell you, if you learn this, if you get the some grip commanding on this topic oops concept, you can understand everything easily. Okay, that thing. Then next one is, what is portable. We will discuss each and everything whenever we start the oops concept. Okay, now the next one is portable. What is portable? Portable means, here you can see one diagram. In this diagram we have Windows, Unix, Mac, Linux, or anything. Means portable means this Java, whatever the file of Java file, we can execute it on any platform like Windows OS or Unix, Linux, or any platform. Okay, this .java file can execute on any type of OS. Did you get this one? What is portable? Did you understand these 3 points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, platform independent are the same thing. Like here we have the Java file. In the same way, we will have some class files. That class, what is this class files? What is this .java file? We will discuss. These class files were also as per any, whether it is Mac, whether it is Windows, or whether Linux, at any platform, it will execute. The same, if you create one program here, if you have one class file here, that class file you can copy into other system, that there also you can get the same output, it will execute it. The next one is secured means, as per the security purpose, java is very java is very strong as per the security purpose. For to run Java, you no need to install any antivirus system. It is already secured. Okay, you can install the Java and you can use it. The next one is robust. Robust means, what is the meaning of robust? Is strong. Robust meaning is strong. Why they are strong? They are telling strong means, as per the memory management. As per the memory management, Java is robust. The big problem in the C++ is the memory management. There you cannot do the memory management, but here you will have an memory management, strong memory management. Okay, that in depth you will learn everything. As of now, these are the important features of Java. What are the? Simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, and robust. Did you understand now these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now now let me open this one. Okay, suppose, let me take one Java program, because you have to learn few things. Suppose you have one file. Let me draw one diagram. Let us think you have written one program. You have written one Java program. This is one Java program. Let us think. This is a Java program. This Java program has been named as my first program. Always the extension should be .java. My first program .java. By seeing this file name, by seeing this file name, by this file name, you can see, okay, this is a Java file. Okay, you have come up with one Java file. This is okay. Now, to execute this file, guys, carefully listen. To execute this file, now what we have done, we have written one program in the Eclipse. Let us think. After executing, whenever you execute this file, there it will create one dot class file. After executing the file, it will create one dot class file. Then here the name it will come as my first program dot my first program dot class. See, earlier it was dot Java, but whenever you execute the program, Java program, it will create one file that is dot class file. Guys, please focus on this. This is one important thing. After that, it will be easy. My first program dot class. Now, after that, you will get the output. After that, you will get the output. Let us think. This is one our computer. In this computer, we are getting the output. Okay. Okay. You are getting some output here. Sir, you told this is a Java program executed. You got some dot class file. Okay, that is fine. After that, this is some dot class file. You have some code here. Sir, what is the use? Why this dot Java is getting the dot class files? Why here? What is happening? Tell you. Whatever the dot class file, see, whatever the code here we have, this code, whatever the dot Java is there here, this dot Java file is called source file. This is called source file. Here, whatever we have, this is called dot class file. It is called as dot class file. This is called dot class file. Dot class file. Here we have source file. This file is called dot class files. In this dot class file, we have the code written. That code is called byte code. That code is called as byte code. Whatever the file these are the Java program. Whatever we have, this is Java source code. Whatever the code here it is written in this file is called the source code. Let me write here. This is called source code. Source code. This is under this, whatever the code written in the source file is called source code. Whatever this is called a dot class file. We have the byte code. Okay. Finally, whatever the output we have, that output normally we call my first program. Okay, till now fine. Sir, you are saying this is source code, this is byte code. How it will come? How we will get the byte code? What is the purpose? Anyone have idea?
No, sir.
No one. Okay. So now this whatever the source code we have, this is normally the text file, plain text file. This is actually the text file. We have the Java extension, but whatever this the data here under this we have, that is the text only. Okay. Now here to convert, see whatever the dot class file we have, this is an intermediate, this bytecode, because here we have one more thing that is called as JVM. Here we have one thing that is called as JVM. We have one thing that is called as JVM. JVM will take the responsibility of this related to the dot file. Sir, then who will take care about this file? Regarding this file will taken care by the compiler. Will compiler. Till now you understood what is the use of compiler and JVM that I have not explained. Now as of this diagram, did you understand this normal flow as of now?
Yes, sir.
See, whatever the source code, this is the normal text file. This normal text file, this cannot understand by this JVM. This JVM, we have the topic called JDK, JRE, JVM. I will tell you that. Under that we have a JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. We cannot see that. But to get the output, system should understand some language. Okay. The code, whatever the code you have written, that code will compile. First, what he will do, will compile the code. Whenever you compile the code, it will generate the dot class file. It will generate the dot class file. What happens in this step? See, if you have written any syntax error, first if you execute, first if you compile the program, whenever you execute the program, first it will compile it. What happens in the compile? While compiling, it will check all whatever the program you have written, whether there are any syntax error. It will check each and everything here. It will check all the syntax error. If all the syntax, if there are no syntax errors, then program will get compiled. Program will get compiled. Then it will convert into the dot class file. That dot class file we have the bytecode, means that source code will be converted into the bytecode. Till now we understood this point.
Sir.
Okay. Now whatever the bytecode we have, this Java virtual machine can understand this dot class file. I will show you how the dot class file will be. This dot class files cannot understand by the human. We cannot understand is what is written in the dot class file. Let me show you. I think I should have that. See, did you see this here? There are two files, student.java, student.class. If I open the student.java, did you see this is the Java program? This is student.java, and this here you have student. Here we have, suppose here we have two files. Let us take the basic example. This is the hello world.java. This is one Java program, some basic hello world program. First, first after writing this program, whenever you will execute it, first you have to compile it. Whenever you compile, there will a file will get, you can see this file. This is called dot class file. This is called dot class file. Are you able to understand this dot class file?
No, sir.
No, we cannot understand this dot class files. But we cannot understand, but JVM can understand it. JVM can understand it. What this JVM will do? JVM will convert this code into machine understandable language. That everything will happen in quick. First you compile, the source code will convert in the dot class file. That dot class bytecode will understand by the JVM. That JVM will convert this code into the machine understandable language. After converting, then we will get the output. What the output? Suppose for this program, we will get the output as hello world. To get one output, in background, these many things will happen. We'll compile the code, we'll get the first program class file. After you will JVM will involve, you will get the first program. After whatever the program you have written, my first program.java, if you, whatever the program you have written, the program, the same file you can take into the not only Windows system, if you want to, if you can copy that one into the any Mac OS or Linux and you can execute it, still you will get the same output. That is the reason it is not a platform dependent, it is platform independent. Now you understood what is dot class file? In the PPT, I have shown you here, you can see dot class file. With dot class file, who is there? JVM. Do you understand this diagram?
Yes, sir.
See, this is about the introduction of Java. Okay. From tomorrow's class, we will first, I will go with the first program. I will just show you what is this, how it will be in practical. I will show you what is this dot class file, what is the source file. Okay. After that, we will, and main thing, everyone has the Eclipse installed in your system.
No, sir. So didn't install, sir.
So I can please install that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Jagdish has dropped. Okay, these people has dropped. Okay. So install the Saujan you installed yesterday.
No, sir, I'm having laptop issue. I'll do that.
Okay. Okay. Install this Eclipse as well. Okay. Uh, After that, so tomorrow we will discuss one basic program in the without using the Eclipse. After that, we will go with the use of Eclipse. We will create one project and we will execute the programs. Okay. After that, we will from tomorrow onwards it will be quick. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I think Jagdish and another one had dropped. Okay, I will share all the recording videos to you, Saujanya, you as well, and Saikiran and everyone as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.